Coughing can be caused by a variety of factors, but the most common culprits are bacterial and viral illnesses. Often coughing is worse at night, usually due to the position you're in, as lying down can lead to more congestion and worsen heartburn. Sleeping with your head raised up by pillows can help, or you can try one of the natural remedies ahead right before bed. Coughs are mainly of two types, dry cough or wet cough. A dry cough is pretty much exactly what it sounds like, and might be in reaction to a dry, itchy, scratchy throat or other irritation. A wet cough, meaning one that brings up mucus or other fluids, is typically caused by a virus, like the cold or flu. Coughs play a role in clearing irritants and infections from the body, but persistent coughing can be annoying. The best treatment for a cough will depend on its underlying cause. There are many possible causes of coughs, including allergies, infections, and acid reflux. Hopefully, these 10 natural cough remedies will make your cough less of a nuisance and make it easier for you to rest and feel better. 1. Orange juice. The key to managing any cough is to make sure you are drinking lots of fluids. Lungs need to be well hydrated in order to minimize the formation of mucus. Not only is orange juice a tasty way to hydrate, but it contains a lot of vitamin C. High doses of vitamin C were found to help reduce symptoms, including coughing, in patients with pneumonia in a meta-analysis published in Nutrients. 2. Thyme. People have used thyme to relieve dry, irritating coughs for centuries. The herb's leaves contain cough-calming compounds called flavonoids that work to lessen inflammation and relax the throat muscles involved in coughing. Some research suggests that using thyme, alone or in combination with other herbs, reduces coughing. Specifically, a number of studies show that the combination of thyme, primrose, and English ivy reduces the frequency and severity of coughs as well as other symptoms of acute bronchitis. Add the herb to your meals or enjoy it in a soothing tea. 3. Ginger. Ginger, a common ingredient in most kitchens, is loaded with anti-inflammatory and antitussive properties that help relieve coughs. This aromatic spice breaks down and removes mucus from the lungs, thereby reducing coughing. One study found that when put in a nebulizer, purified ginger helped relax people's airways and reduce coughing, specifically dry coughs associated with asthma. You can make ginger tea at home by peeling and thinly slicing one piece of ginger and adding it to 3 cups of boiling water. Boil for about 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy it with a little honey and a slice of lemon. 4. Chili peppers. Spicy foods are a natural way to strengthen your respiratory system. But some spicy foods, particularly ones containing capsaicin, like chili peppers, can significantly reduce the congestion and coughing that come from a constant post-nasal drip from allergies or rhinitis, according to a study published in the Annals of Asthma, Allergy, and Immunology. Patients who used a nasal spray containing capsaicin saw improvement in under 1 minute that lasted for up to an hour. 5. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root has been used for thousands of years to treat coughing and sore throat. Like many demulcent herbs, marshmallow root may help ease dry coughs. Research suggests that marshmallow root can help relieve coughing. One study showed that marshmallow root lozenges and syrup successfully relieved dry cough, usually within 10 minutes. Unlike most other herbs where you would use hot water, marshmallow root is best prepared using cold water. Simply soak a tablespoon of the shredded, dried root in 2 cups of cold water. Let it sit overnight or for at least 4 hours in the refrigerator. Strain, then sip your tea as needed. 6. Almond milk. The idea that eating or drinking dairy products causes increased mucus and coughing is a myth, nor does it worsen a cough from an existing cold, according to research published in the American Review of Respiratory Disease. But many people associate dairy with congestion because milk has a similar texture and viscosity to mucus, which can make it feel like it's sticking in your throat, according to the Australasian Society of Clinical Immunology and Allergy. If you have a dry cough and are craving something creamy to coat your throat and ease the scratchiness but want a thinner texture than almond or coconut milk is a good replacement. 7. Honey. Not only does honey make a tasty addition to drinks and desserts, but it is also a time-honored remedy for sore throats. Its thick consistency coats your throat, soothing it immediately. This is the main reason why it is so beneficial for those suffering from a cough. According to one study, It can relieve nighttime coughs more effectively than a placebo. Try adding 2 teaspoons of honey and a squeeze of lemon to warm water or herbal tea. You can also just take a spoonful of honey on its own. 8. Saltwater gargle. Coughing isn't just from issues in your lungs. In fact, sore, irritated, and inflamed throats are very common causes of coughs. A good way to help calm your throat and your cough is to make a warm solution of water and salt and gargle it for 30 seconds. 9. Chicken soup. Chicken soup is a time-honored cold remedy in many cultures and for good reason. Not only does it combine several other proven cough remedies, warm water, steam, herbs, salt, fluids, but it may have cough-fighting properties of its own. Chicken soup significantly lowered signs of infection from cold and flu. 10. Steam shower. Using a steam bath is a fantastic way to loosen congestion and hydrate a dry respiratory system, making this a useful home remedy for both dry coughs and chesty coughs. Add a few drops of essential oils like tea tree or eucalyptus to maximize these effects. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you are visiting our channel for the first time, click subscribe to stay healthy and fit.